My name is Mr. Deborah, and I'm your instructor for the Uworka Integrated Science Studies. Basically, the integrated science is divided into 5 major aspects. We've got the core chemistry, core physics, core biology, agri-science, that is core agri-science and environmental studies, and technology. So we'll start by looking at the core chemistry. When we are talking about chemistry, we are looking at the strength of materials and its relationship in our natural environment. So we will first start by looking at the matter, that is the basic thing, matter. Now we will be asked, what is basically the matter as a concept? We say matter is anything that has got weight, mass, and volume. So for the definition, we say matter is okay. So we have these 3 things we have to talk more about. Matter should exhibit these characters. Now, first is we must know weight. What is weight? When we talk of weight, basically weight is a force. So we say weight is the force of gravity that tends to pull every falling object toward the center of the earth. It's the force of gravity that tends to pull, or in short, we say it's the force that tends to pull every falling object toward the center of the earth. So we say weight. Okay, so we say the force that tends to pull every falling object toward the center of the earth. So if I jump, my weight will bring me down. If I leave this marker, the weight will send it to where? The center of the earth. We are on the center of the earth. That is where the magnetic pull of the earth acts hugely. Good. Let us talk a little bit about the characteristics or how we'll be able to identify weight. From my initial explanation, I said weight is a force. So if you are looking at the characteristics of weight, we say characteristics. Okay, the first characteristic is of weight is it is a vector quantity. It's a vector quantity. Good. What do you mean by weight being a vector quantity? Anything that is said to be a vector quantity is having both magnitude and shows direction. For instance, if I'm to leave this marker, you can easily tell me where it will be heading towards. The direction is clear, and it is having magnitude, that is, it is measurable. The term magnitude means the thing being measurable. So it is having the mode of its weight can be measured, either using an instrument. The weight of this can be measured using an instrument. So the measurable aspect of it is what we call its magnitude. So we say it is having SI units. Of Newton. Newton, because weight is named after Isaac Newton.